All right, guys, so this is gonna be a little bit of a quicker update video, but I want to announce the winners of our July Axie Infinity Scholarship giveaway. We're gonna be choosing 2 in this video. Of you who entered in that giveaway will be winning your scholarships. And in this video, I am announcing how to win our August scholarship giveaway. We're actually gonna be doubling the number of scholars that we're giving away at the end of August. So we're gonna be doing 4 scholar giveaway at the end of August. So I'll be announcing that as well. So just a quick one here. Let's get into it. As all of you who watch this channel know, the #1 game right now in order to play to earn is Axie Infinity. It's actually incredible how it's revolutionizing gaming, giving players real ownership and real earning power, because unlike traditional games where it's just a flow in one direction where the gamers just play the game company, in this new age of decentralized gaming, game companies like Sky Mavis with Axie Infinity are actually giving players real ownership on the blockchain. And instead of all of the money funneling straight to the game company, we have a real economy in Axie Infinity, which means that if you spend your time playing the game, you will earn real money. Now, a lot of you also will know that there is a big barrier of entry in order to participate in this Axie Infinity economy, because in order to play the game and earn cryptocurrency by winning games, you need to have 3 Axies, and these 3 Axies are very, very expensive NFTs to buy. In order to get a good team now, it is well over $1,000 that it costs to get into this game. And I know that for most people in the world, that's just too much. And that is why we announced at the beginning of this month that we were going to be giving away 2 Axie Infinity scholarships to the subscribers of this channel so that we can help 2 of you start earning inside of and playing Axie Infinity. And the response to that giveaway was just incredible. But because that announcement was so incredible, I think over 1,000 people in the first couple days joined the Discord in order to try and win that Axie scholarship giveaway, the one that I'm going to be announcing the winners of in this video. So the demand is just, it's really high. So we're actually gonna be doing another giveaway. So I'm announcing that right now. We're gonna be running another Axie Scholarship giveaway in the month of August, and we're actually gonna be doubling the number of scholars that we're gonna be giving out. So instead of 2 in August, at the end of August, we're gonna be giving away 4 scholars, which will bring the total number of on-chain gaming scholars to 6. So that's really, really exciting. And just so that you guys know, if you're only on mobile, the Axie servers are still having some issues. So it's very possible that you might not be able to play right away. And I understand that. So if you're a scholar and you only have mobile and you get your Axies, we help you log in and you're like, man, I can't play. It's just because the servers on mobile right now are still pretty rough. If you have a PC though, it's running pretty smoothly playing Axie Infinity. And the mobile version of Axie should get pretty smooth relatively soon. But actually, if I check right now, let's see, are the Axie servers working? So the Axie servers for mobile, it's still not really working. I just hit the arena button like 3 times and it didn't work. It is actually showing that I have energy now. Earlier when I tried to log in on mobile, it said I had 0 energy of 0 possible energy. So the servers are still having a little bit of an issue, but we didn't want to make that affect this Axie scholarship. But just so you guys know, I haven't even been able to get into my marketplace and breed and stuff. So thankfully Josh, who is doing all the sound design, he's going to be providing the first 2 Axie teams to you guys, because like I said, I've not been able to do anything. It's a little bit unfortunate, but hopefully by the time August ends, all of this will be cleared up. I'll have been able to breed a ton, Nate will be able to breed a ton, and then hopefully maybe we'll even be able to give more than 4 scholarships at the end of next month. So we picked 1 winner from the Discord and we picked 1 winner from the YouTube. And it's gonna work exactly the same way in this August giveaway as well, guys. In order to enter, all you have to do is be a subscriber of this channel, have a thumbs up on this video, and then leave a comment below saying that you want to be an Axie Scholar, and that will enter you in the giveaway. But then, if you want to double your chances of winning, because next month, since we're giving away 4, I'm gonna be picking 2 winners from the YouTube comments and then 2 winners from the Discord comments. So if you want to double your chances, you can also check out the Discord link below. Post a screenshot on the Enter to Win a Giveaway Discord chat that you are showing that you are a subscriber, that you have the notification bell on, that you've left a comment and like, that you just engage. And yeah, if you post a screenshot on the Discord, then I'll be picking 2 winners from there as well. And yeah, you can be entered on both the Discord and the YouTube and double your chances of winning this scholarship. So the Discord winner of the July scholarship, drum roll please, the Discord winner is Maui Grown. Maui Grown. And just so you guys know, by the time you're watching this, I will message Maui Grown. So if don't message me trying to pretend to be him. He has already been contacted, and now the YouTube winner from the YouTube comments is Rex Scully. So Rex Scully and Maui Grown, congratulations, guys. You're gonna be the very first 2 on-chain gaming scholars. So that is really epic. I cannot wait for you guys to start earning in Axie Infinity. It should be really cool. And then I have one backup name I'm not gonna say, but in case one of these 2 people don't respond to me, then I have one backup name that I will reach out to if I don't get a response. But I think it would be a little bit like painful to say who the backup is, to know that you were the backup, you were that close to being one of the 2 winners. But yeah, didn't win it. So the backup will be alerted if one of these 2 people don't respond to me, or say that like they got another scholarship somewhere or bought their own Axie team or something and don't need the scholarship. Then it will go to, yeah, the bonus squad. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, just a little bit of an update video. Needs to happen though, needed to announce the scholars and this next scholarship giveaway for this month. So best of luck to all of you if you did not win this first giveaway, guys. This is just the very beginning. These first 2 scholars are just the very beginning. I would love if someday on-chain gaming had more than 1,000 scholars. So yeah, definitely try to win this next giveaway. Oh, and by the way, guys, I should say that if you already entered into the last giveaway, re-enter, because I'm only gonna be looking at the dates from when this video is posted. Well, actually, when I made the announcement on the Discord that we are moving into the August giveaway, I'll be looking from those dates to when I pick the next winner. Between there is where we're gonna be randomly picking the winners. So yeah, re-enter if you want to win this next scholarship giveaway. That you don't have to resubscribe or anything. Just post another screenshot in the Discord, post another comment under this video. That way I know that the winners are gonna be people that are still active and still looking for a scholarship. So that's why you guys should re-enter for the August giveaway. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully all of you can get behind an Axie account soon enough. If you did enjoy it, leaving a thumbs up helps out a ton. And then if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you're hitting subscribe, clicking that notification bell. Most videos aren't update videos like this. I like to dive deep into the greatest play to earn games, upcoming games, interviews with co-founders and CEOs of these play to earn games. Yeah, guys, the gaming revolution is happening. The blockchain is enabling a brand new type of gaming where work and play come together as one. It's really, really exciting. So I'm looking forward to continuing to make content for you all. Thank you so much to our Patreon supporters for enabling us to make this content. I don't make these videos by myself. Nate, my brother, edits all these videos, and Josh does the music and sound design for these videos. We really appreciate your support. So until next time, everyone, congratulations to our winners, and have fun roaming the metaverse.